So, changing injector number 6, the 335. I already undid this bracket down here. Oop, got the bolt, not the bracket. Bracket goes that way with the bow, like that. Okay, I got a couple connectors and the fuel line, and these are special homemade tool to pop that injector out. Okay, so I just removed the fuel line. I drained the fuel line earlier. There's still a little bit of fuel in it though. So now how do you get that one out of there? You can pull on it and pull on that fuel line. She's pretty tight in there. She don't want to come out. So there is a special tool that threads on there, and it's like a little slide hammer. But this is what I'm using, a little wire. So you finagle that wire down there around it and hook it on there, and use something, just pop it, slide hammer it off the same. So I got this wire down and wrapped around the injector. There's two little tabs on either side. You can't really see because of the light. Two little tabs on either side. You kind of get it around, wrapped around underneath the tabs. And then oh, there you go. See? Popped right out. Ta-da! See how it's cool, man. Cool, man. Now I just slide the other one in, push it in. Got to remember to record these numbers on the side. This number right here, you need to record that on the new one because you need that number to program this injector to work correctly with the rest of them or something. I don't know because I'm not a BMW tech, but that's what I've been told. So let's go ahead and put it back in the car. Oh yeah, so I forgot something. Old one, new one. I don't have a new little trim clip thing, so we got to remove it off of here real carefully. Put it on there before we put it back in there. Okay. Should be real easy. There's tiny little tabs right here. It's already almost off. Pop. There we go. On to the new one. Clip. I think that's let's go in a bit. Seems pretty on there. All right. Okay, so I just got the new injector in. Had to do a little tapping on the little tab there to get it slide in exactly right, but should be good to go. I'll just hook everything back up and see if it's fixed.
Yeah.